Ingatan mo si Ali mo ah. Mahipit si Ali mo. Ingatan mo. Ansari? Ansari doing Ansari? Ansari? Ingatan mo si Ali mo. Fatima. Fatima. Hmm?
Round and round. Round and round.
Fatima, come here. Fatima. Fatima. Bye-bye. Come here. Fatima, come.
Look, Pfizer.
Nabi Bagwan is scientist.
Pfizer, look.
The new scientist came
When the
from
moon is here facing
from
the sun, it's
Africa.
dark on the other side.
I know. So
It can only reflect light here. If the moon goes on the right side, look, Pfizer. There. There. So
Mommy,
this
look,
part
look, look.
here can... Oh, no one's listening.
At si Ali mo mabangga mo eh. Mabangga.
Look, Pfizer.
Listen to me.
The moon can reflect,
Listen to me
can
mo.
reflect light. You're not interested. Never mind.
Kasi in-explain ni Umi mo paano nagkakaroon ng light ng moon. Fatima?
Back home, you tell me
No, I
how
don't.
this happened.
Uh-uh.
You said you know.
I don't.
Now listen to Umi. Go there.
She wants to say
No, no, keep it there. I will take care.
You have to spin.
No, hayaan mo na. Go to Umi. Gina-explain niya sa'yo. Parang natutunan mo.
This side of the moon, listen. This side of the moon, which is hit by the sunlight, it reflects the light coming from the sun. And then on the other side, the dark side is now lighted by the sun, and the moon reflects the light. It's totally facing. The sun lost its light. The sun lost its light.